when we go to temples, every temple has its own sort of energy. But the problem that people our age, I'm not talking about people who are in their 50s, who आपके 4 धाम करनी है, कोई यात्रा करनी है, pilgrimage करना है. So the problem that we normally face is that obviously we are not exposed to a good level of कि पूजा कैसे होगी, क्या पद्धति होगी, क्या लेना है, क्या रखना है, बिकॉज थोड़ा सा कॉन्वोल्यूटेड भी हो चुका है और कॉम्प्लिकेटेड तो हमेशा से था ही. तो चाहे आप वैदिक पूजा करो, चाहे आप तांत्रिक पूजा करो, चाहे आप किसी तरह की पूजा करो, सो आई थिंक इट हैज़ बिकम वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड, और मे बी इट्स नॉट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड, उसको पोर्ट्रे ऐसा किया गया है. सो इफ समबडी जस्ट वॉन्ट्स टू गो टू अ बांके बिहारी टेम्पल, और इफ समबडी जस्ट वॉन्ट्स टू गो टू अ साउथ इंडियन टेम्पल से चिदम्बरम, एंड दे नाउ दैट आई हैव अंडरस्टूड कि चलो अब मुझे यहाँ जाना है, और मुझे आई डोंट वांट टू गेट इनटू कि जी बाद मैंने माला खरीद लिया, प्रसाद खरीद लिया, मुझे कुछ नहीं करना है. मुझे वहाँ का बेस्ट यूटिलाइज करना है विदाउट हैविंग टू बॉदर माई सेल्फ विद एनीथिंग एल्स. देन व्हाट डू आई डू?
फर्स्ट व्हेन यू डिसाइड बांके बिहारी जाना है या फिर कहीं जाना है, you have a certain level of commitment or love or devotion towards that.
Of course.
So for this times that we are in, I always tell people, go by what is not making a knot inside you. What I mean is, if you go and you have a knot saying अरे मैंने माला नहीं ली, it is creating a knot. अरे मैंने प्रसाद नहीं लिया, it is creating a knot.
Okay.
I would suggest people, at what I have done to myself also, that I'm in love with you.
Achha.
See, if two people are in love, even if the other person doesn't bring a gift, it doesn't matter. The love is for the company.
It's not give and take.
It's nothing. It's just to be there, and that solves a lot of problem. People who are in love, like if you have to sit, it is not about you and me talking. No, it is about just being in the company. कि आपको ज़रूरी नहीं मेरे से बात करनी है या फिर कोई ट्रांजैक्शन चल रहा हो. You are just in the energy and you are at peace. You are at bliss. So it is more like experiencing that love. And this is what is going to take you to a higher dimension, or to जो कलयुग और जो भी ये सब चल रहा है, ये जो टाइम है, ये इसी को डिफाइन करता है, और इसी में मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट आप ले पाते हो. प्रॉफिट इन द सेंस, आई वुड नॉट कॉल इट अ प्रॉफिट, मैक्सिमम ब्लिस आप फील कर पाते हो, बिकॉज यू आर जस्ट सेइंग दैट आई एम हियर फॉर यू.
So how do you do it? So do you sit and you meditate or do something? आप क्या करोगे अगर मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूँ? If I have love towards a deity, I go to the temple and I sit there. Then what am I supposed to do? मतलब उनके नाम पे फोकस करना, फिगर पे, या किस चीज़ पे?
तो सबसे पहली बात तो देखो, कलयुग में कहा जाता है कि सिर्फ नाम लेना होता है, जप नाम या नाम जप इज द बिगेस्ट थिंग. If we go by that, you just have to focus on exploring yourself. What do you like? If you like making a mala of mogra and offering it to the god, do that. You have to explore yourself, that what is it, what is inside me is fixing into that plug. You do not have to go by कि शिव जी पे नारियल ही चढ़ता, बिकॉज मैं बचपन से देखती आ रही हूँ कि मैंने जो सबकॉन्शियसली सीखा था वो था कि हम अगर शिव जी के पास जा रहे हैं तो हम नारियल कैरी करेंगे, हम नारियल फोड़ेंगे और उसमें जो पानी है वो डालेंगे शिवलिंग के ऊपर. दिस वॉज माई डिज़ाइन ऑफ प्रेइंग टू शिव जी ऑल द टाइम. But today if you ask me, I feel like when I go to a shivling, I just feel like sitting side में and I राम भजो, उसमें मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता है. मतलब there is a different kind of, I can't explain that to you because it is inexplainable. Yeah, so you have to discover yourself. What is it that connects you best? For example, when I talk about Krishna, so when I there are times when it just tears roll down. What do I like about him? I would love to make something, meetha. I make something and I offer him. I like offering, like when I do माँ का पूजा, कुछ हो नहीं हो, but when I sit there, I love to make something meetha, and I love to put that kumkum and the color of the kumkum that connects me very fast with her. that kumkum, and that kumkum, putting it on your forehead, all these you have to discover yourself. What do you like? Don't look at what I'm doing, what I like. It might not work with you. Same as diet, like you said, जो चीज़ मैं खाती हूँ मेरी बॉडी उसको अलग रिएक्ट करेगी, जो वही चीज़ तुम खाओगे तुम्हारी बॉडी उसको अलग रिएक्ट करेगी. तो आपको यू हैव टू डिस्कवर योरसेल्फ. द कॉस्मिक एनर्जी से हाउ यू आर कंफर्टेबली प्लगिंग इनटू दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट. सो अगर आपको जाके अच्छा आप ये देखो आपको कंफर्टेबल कैसे, आप ऐसे बैठ के कंफर्टेबल हो, आप ऐसे बैठ के कंफर्टेबल हो, आप दोनों पाँव नीचे रख के कंफर्टेबल हो, ये आपको डिस्कवर करना है. द होल वर्क when you have come on this planet Earth is only to discover yourself. And once you discover yourself, what I have found, that you don't need anybody's guidance.
Okay.
If you kind of try and get inside, when I teach Akashic also, I said don't go by anything, just be water, like
go with the flow.
Go with the flow. And if there is a container, God is a container,
assume the shape of wherever you are.
If God is a container, you pour yourself into it and you are in the shape. Don't bother about कि शहद डालना है, हल्दी डालना है. हाँ, one fine day आपको लगेगा कि आज, like it happens with me, like I'll tell you, like recently, whatever dreams we had a discussion, right? Dreams I saw. Now today is Pradosh Vrat. I am getting this kind of that he is calling me, Shiva is calling me and saying that you have to offer these 3 things which I saw in the dream to me. So I'll go and I'll do that. That's kind of a date with God.
Oh,
So
nice.
so that's
something different, a
Yeah.
different concept, a date with God for sure.
So a date with a God, and it doesn't happen with only Shiva, it happens with Krishna. I bother my husband that aaj he has called, he has told me to wear this and this is what he wants. So how is that coming? He's coming from inside, that what is it that I feel bliss about. It is not, I'm not designing it here that if somebody says Krishna likes makhan, then I will only make makhan. Sorry, Krishna also likes chow mein for that matter. Krishna likes mushroom also. So it is up to you how you are ready to feel good about it. Like मेरे को कभी कभी समय नहीं होता तो मैं बोलती हूँ आज यही बनाया, आप आज यही खा लो. तो ये आप कितने कंफर्टेबल हो उनके साथ, वो एनर्जी विल गेट.
So basically what we're trying to do is humanize.
Absolutely, because until and unless you humanize and make it simple for people, you will not be able. अगर मैं तुमको ये बोल दूँगी कि भाई तुम त्रयंबकेश्वर जा रहे हो तो तुमको ये एक पर्टिकुलर, हालांकि वो चीज़ का अपना एक वैल्यू है, एक डिज़ाइन है, एक प्रोसेस है, पर आप कनेक्ट होने के लिए सिर्फ अगर जा रहे हो तो फॉलो योर ओन सेल्फ. एंड इफ़ यू फील वहाँ जाके कि अच्छा ये पूजा और ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लग रही है, ये मुझे अट्रैक्ट कर रहा है, गो एंड डू रुद्राष्टकम, व्हाट डू वी से, आप कर लो वहाँ पे जो भी आपको कनेक्ट करता है उस एनर्जी से. वहाँ पे बहुत कुछ होता है, वहाँ नारायण बलि होती है, नारायण पूजा होती है. आपको वहाँ पे कोई चीज़ देख के लगा कि नहीं दिस इज़, और कई बार ये मैं तुमको बताती हूँ अपने एक्सपीरियंस से, I don't look at charts now, I look at people and I know what happens. So कई बार आपकी एनर्जी आपको अट्रैक्ट कर जाएगी. You will, if you have a काल सर्प दोष and you are feeling, all of a sudden it will happen that you will start feeling attracted to this place. Okay? And you will go there and you will automatically do the puja. If you are in that, बुलावा आएगा, surrendership. It will automatically happen with time. You really don't have to fix up a date. You really don't have to fix up a time. You really don't have to think about कि ये कैसे होगा. नहीं, planning तो मैं तो ये बोलती हूँ planning तो करनी ही नहीं चाहिए. If that is calling you, you will fix into it. Just be in that surrender mode. That is what in society, this is a better way of saying बुलावा आएगा तब जाएंगे. जब बुलावा आता है और आप जाते हो तो आपका भला होता है. और जब तक आप उस सरेंडरशिप में नहीं रहते और बोलते नहीं मैं तो जाके दिखाऊंगा, तो सारी तकलीफ आपको
ईगो आ गया ना, ईगो आ गया, एरोगेंस भी आ गया,
एरोगेंस भी आ गया. और फिर उसमें क्या हो रहा है, तकलीफ हो रही है. करेक्ट. जाने में भी तकलीफ होगी, टिकट कराने में भी तकलीफ होगी, वहाँ नहाने में भी तकलीफ होगी.
So after like so much travel, every place has its own energy. A Jyotirling has a different energy.
Yes.
A Shakti Peeth has a different energy.
Yes.
But even we know there are principal 12 Jyotirlings in the country that we know of. and every Jyotirling has its own energy. So, for
Absolutely.
example, every Shivling is in a certain direction, but Mahakaleshwar is south facing. It's a death facing Jyotirling. And we know of the principal Shakti Peeths as well, 51, and then the may be Adi Shakti Peeth, and so on and so forth.
Correct.
So, obviously, a Jyotirling will have an energy of Shiv, and same thing for Shakti Peeth, energy of Shakti. So, spiritual point of view say, how is a Jyotirling different from a Shakti Peeth? लीव 2 मिनट के लिए, लेट्स फॉरगेट अबाउट शिव एंड शक्ति. अगर हम एनर्जी के बारे में बात करते हैं तो दोनों में फ़र्क क्या है? क्या कोई फ़र्क है भी?
देखो बिल्कुल फ़र्क है.
अच्छा.
और ये ब्रह्मा विष्णु में बहुत सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट है. ब्रह्मा क्रिएटर, विष्णु मेंटेनर, और शिवा डिस्ट्रॉयर. द डिस्ट्रॉयर ऑफ व्हाट? डिस्ट्रॉयर ऑफ ऑल दैट इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड इन योर लाइफ. आई टुक इट. If I look at my journey, because my journey is the closest to me, so when I all of a sudden we kind of designed, we kind of wanted to go to, मेरा समय हो गया था शायद, इसलिए हम लोगों ने वाराणसी प्लान कर लिया और हम काशी, we landed in Kashi. I came back from Kashi within 15 days I lost my job. So the entire resetting happened. Hard reset बोलते हैं ना, वो हो गया. अब तुम ये तो शुरुआत, और मैंने दिसंबर में हम गए थे. नवंबर में आई थिंक 19-20 में को डेट्स भी याद है, मैंने सपना देखा था वेयर यू नो शिव जी इन अ रुद्र फॉर्मेट हैड कम एंड सेड, यू नो, यू आर फाइटिंग अ लॉट, लेट मी गिव यू अ की. He had shown me something, and that I could only decode in 6 months. After 6 months I could understand, oh what the hell, this is what he meant. So those kind of things happen. So if you ask me from that matter, 1.5 साल शिव जी की एनर्जी ने मुझे गाइड किया इन टर्म्स ऑफ दैट तुमको एस्ट्रोलॉजी करना है. एस्ट्रोलॉजी का आई यूज्ड टू फील दैट ही वुड गिव मी ऑफ वॉट एवर हैज़ टू बी टोल्ड टू द अदर पर्सन, एंड दैट वॉज अ फ्री थिंग दैट आई डिड फॉर 2019 to 2020. I was doing free services to all the people. And after that, all of a sudden, I think when I went to Gaya, the entry of Vishnu happened.
Okay.
Entry of Vishnu happened, and it happened so that, you know, my father started coming, and I don't have my father and mother both. So I was told that, you know, go to Gaya. He told me that, you know, you need to go to Gaya and do the work that I have. So मेरे घर में वो होता है ना, सोसाइटी का हो जाता है कि लड़के सिर्फ करते हैं. तो मेरा भाई है, but I told them that, you know, he has asked me, so it is impossible that he could reach on time. He did not reach. So I went there, I did the whole thing. Before I went, my husband also came with me. Before I went, I saw a dream which was of a Vishnupad Mandir. I had no idea because I had never gone. I explained the whole mandir to my husband, and when we went and entered the Vishnupad Mandir, and the moment he saw, and both our eyes were like, what the hell happened with us? From that moment onwards, it was Vishnu, Krishna coming, you know, taking care of me, of whatever I needed in the whole journey of my no job, joblessness. And after a certain period of time, I don't remember the time because I feel it is like lifetimes I have been living like this. After that, entry of Ma happens. And how? Krishna turning into Kali.
Okay, of course.
And that is where I understood that Krishna and Kali is same. And that is where it got revealed that, you know, Krishna Janmashtami and Kali Jayanti, why that happens on the same day. So all these things got revealed to me, and I was like very confident. I knew I did not have to refer a book, and I did not even care about what the world was talking about. I only went by my meters. That, you know, if I am this was one thing good for me, because I don't know where it came from in me, that I was always कि अगर मुझे ठीक लग रहा है ना तो I'll do it, otherwise I don't care about what who is saying. So I went by that needle of mine saying that, you know, now it's Ma's time. I started doing sadhana. Simple, what came into my lap was Sadhguru's Ling Bhairavi sadhana, which is way too simple for somebody to start, because I had no guru and I had no plans to follow anybody. Because I think very early in my life I was exposed to Osho, and one thing about Osho, it was inside my head since childhood, that don't follow me. If you like it, do it yourself. This is what he said. Don't follow me. I'm not forcing you to follow me. But if you like something I'm saying and it is agreeing with yourself, do it. That is one principle which stayed with me, and that is how I've gone on it. That if it is agreeing with me, I'll do it. I will not care about anything else. Same thing which you said, that ये सब करके ये जो पूरा डिज़ाइन है हर एक का, और ये जो तीनों एनर्जीज हैं वो अलग है, एक ही पार्ट है. आपको जब जिस चीज़ की ज़रूरत होती है वो आ जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इट्स अ होल शिव फैमिली, इट्स अ होल कृष्ण विष्णु राधा वॉट एवर, एवरीबडी इज देयर. सनातन इज डिजाइंड इट फॉर योर ओन कन्वीनियंट. टुडे यू नीड समथिंग फ्रॉम समवन, इट अपीयर्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. यू हैव टू treat it like that. So when I started doing Ma's work, my work in terms of finances, in terms of everything, took a speed. My sadhana took a speed. 6 months after that, I was feeling that I have been doing her sadhana since 6 years. It was so, it seemed so much of action happened. So what I'm trying to tell you, do not go by defining it कि ये शिवा है, ये कृष्णा है. All of them are same at the base.
So it is essentially not possible to have just one. या मैं किसी को बोलूँ कि जी आई एम ओनली गोइंग टू, बिकॉज महादेव तो खुद ही बोलते हैं कि ये तो आपका भ्रम है, इसमें आपको खाली मैं ही दिखाई देता हूँ.
है एक ही.
हाँ, क्योंकि अगर आप उस लेवल के, अगर आप ऊपर के लेवल के भक्त हैं तो हरि में भी आप मुझे देख लेंगे, ब्रह्मदेव में भी मुझे देख लेंगे और माँ में भी देख लेंगे. तो हमें कैसे पता चलेगा किसी एक, अगर मैं वहाँ के बिहार जाता हूँ और वहाँ भी अगर मेरे को शिव जी ही दिख रहे हैं.
Again, here everything is originating from here. What do you think? Shiv, Brahma, Vishnu, these are all man-made. At the root, at the basis, if you look at it, is man-made. Correct? Someone felt Shiva's energy, created it in a certain way. Someone felt कि ब्रह्मा का एनर्जी क्रिएशन का तो ऐसा. Someone felt Ma's energy is like this, so it can be categorized. This is all man-made. You have to discover yourself. What is it that you are craving right now? And that is the energy which will come and will give you bliss. Right now, if you are craving maintenance in the world, Krishna is the one who is supposed to. And Krishna में तो ये भी बोलते हैं, when you do Hari's bhakti, it is always you can see as you are too. इस एनर्जी को तो वहाँ पे ही इन गीता ही सेज नो, सब अपने हिसाब से मुझे परसीव करते हैं. सो ही इज कंप्लीटली डिफाइनिंग दिस दैट है हूँ मैं एक ही, है एक ही. इट इज़ अप टू यू टू कंसीव इट.
Okay.
So it is up to you. So the whole progress and the whole process, I feel, this is what I've done to myself. So I feel with my own personal experience that it is about you're discovering yourself, the inner core. If you are discovering yourself, the right kind of energy, the right kind of design will come and attach yourself, to you. And जैसे मुझे अभी हम लोग बहुत सारे वो होता है ना स्पिरिट्स वाला काम भी करते हैं, तो उसमें भी 4-5 केस मैंने सिंगल हैंडेडली जब किया था विदाउट एनी हेल्प. इन दैट केसेस व्हाट आई हैव डिस्कवर्ड, सिंगल हैंडेडली नहीं बोलेंगे, माय हस्बैंड हैज ऑलवेज बीन विद मी, वन ऑफ द पीपल हु हैव अच्छा ये ऐसे तो वो होता है हमारा अपना. तो जब हमने वो किया, काम करा है स्पिरिट्स का, तो उसमें सिर्फ यही समझ में आया वो 4-5 केसेस करके कि नारायण से बड़ा कोई भगवान नहीं है, नारायण से बड़ा कोई भूत नहीं है. तब मुझे समझ में आया एक ही है. आप सोच रहे हो ये गॉड है और ये डेविल है और ये शिव जी हैं और ये माँ है. इट्स ऑल वन. इट्स ऑल वन. इट इज़ यू आर सीइंग इट दैट मीन्स, अदरवाइज इट इज़ वन. What do you think? there is anything bad in the world. No, that's a process how the world has to operate. That's why you need something नीचे, something ऊपर. अब मेरी इच्छा नीचे को भी तुम गुड बोल सकते थे, ऊपर को भी तुम बैड बोल सकते थे, बट हमने अपने कन्वीनियंस के हिसाब से, अपने हाउ वी आर परसीविंग द होल थिंग, उसको डिज़ाइन, उसको समझा. और अपनी अपनी समझ के हिसाब से लोग भगवान बोलते हैं कि आप लड्डू गोपाल रख लो. You can see it in a child also. You can see him as a father also. You can see him as your friend also. And he will be with you as it is. And now people say, how do I understand whether he is with you or not? So तुमको कैसे पता चलेगा मैं हूँ तुम्हारे साथ या नहीं? मेरे से बात करो.
Talk, yeah.
So how do you talk? I'll tell you one thing about communicating. Verbal communication is the lowest form of communication.
Yeah.
This is the lowest that it can get. That you have to actually. Highest is that you should practice it in your day. That you want to tell your mother something, you want to tell your father something. You should start mentally sending. I do it. I have taught a few people for their children that you don't have to मुँह खोल के मत बोलो आप. Mentally उसको वहाँ तो. And the kid is the easiest, who will show you the reaction, who will show you the result also. आप वाइब्रेशनली अगर अपने बच्चे को सिर्फ अच्छा बोलोगे ना, आप देखोगे कि वो वैसा हो गया. मैंने तो अपने बेटी के साथ किया भी है और बहुत सारे लोगों को मैंने ये बोला भी है कि आप मुंह खोल के मत बोलो. That's the lowest form of communication, and that begets a lot of violence also, lot of anger also, lot of emotions which are useless. आप किसी से communicate करना चाहते हो, start doing it mentally, start practicing. So when you have a problem, what do we say? मंदिर के सामने बैठो, you start having a communication directly. उतना तुमको उठाना पड़ेगा कि हाँ मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम आई तो मैं उसको रोक के मैं जाऊँ, मैं उन्हीं के पास बोलूँ, मैं वाइब्रेशनली बोलूँ कि हाँ माँ दिस इज़ व्हाट हैपेंड, दिस इज़ व्हाट हैपेंड. I don't know about other people, but with this kind of practice, I have always got a response. I have always got a response in terms of...
That response, is it through people, through medium or
Yes.
through directly? Through mediums, right?
Yeah. For example, I'll tell you, we are not advertising.
Of course.
We are not putting it up on social media. We have not done it yet. How do we get work? How do we get work? I only do a purchase and I give it to him, or I tell Ma that we need work.
Of course.
We need some finances to come into, and we need some work. So whosoever needs our help, you should. That is how it has been. That is how it has been.
So,
How did you meet me?
yes.
Think about it.
Through a medium. Yeah.
I did not. So the whole struggle of going out in the world and telling I know this, that has gone out of my system.
Yeah.
It is not in my
It
life.
doesn't work that way.
And I don't feel like doing it. There are a lot of people who have told कि आपको ये करना चाहिए. It doesn't come. It doesn't come that way. I tell what is my practice. I'll tell you honestly. In the evening, I do Maka Puja. I go and I tell her that this is what it is, and I need your assistance in everything that I
And it's
do.
that simple.
It is that simple.
There's no need to make anything complicated. It's just as simple as speaking mentally or through communication.
You tell me you want to tell your mother that आज मुझे छोले भटूरे खाने हैं. How will you tell? You will go and communicate, right? So you have to understand you're part of this cosmic energy. You're not separate. हम अलग हैं नहीं इस चीज़ से. तो जब आपको कुछ चाहिए, आपको सिर्फ उसको communicate करना है. It is so. Sometimes I say, one of my client called me. She said some problem. I said, if you start, she's also learning how to kind of get acquainted and use. So I just and I love that line also. I said, this is how I treat myself with the universe. Universe has allowed me to treat myself with the energy that is there. I want it, it's there. And if it kind of how further it communicates me through my dreams, it communicates me through my meditation. I get visions. So it is not that it is only happening with me, and it can only happen with me. Every person has the capability to touch this energy. Every person. The only requirement is, are you ready to explore yourself and even understand that you're part of this energy? You're not away from it.
Why is there through the extensive travels through the country, you will see certain sector of people have an Urd Nishan for Vishnu or for Krishna, and then sometimes you see a Tripund for Shiv. So you can say
I know there are a lot of technicalities in the world.
between a Shaivite and a Vaishnavite. And this problem, I won't say problem, but we see a lot of difference that clearly emanates in South India, North India, that okay, I am a specific Vaishnavite person or I'm a Shaivite person. So, and obviously there's a lot of fight also, and you know, सबके पुराण हैं, सबके अपने वेद ग्रंथ. So, in saying this, is this then? I can't make sense out of it. If everybody is this one, then why classify yourself into one category and then nullify? I am Vaishnavite, I am superior, or I am, I follow Shivji, and then this is the only way for salvation.
I'll tell you. You have to again. This is what I understand, and I think जब भी हम कोई काम करते या हम एस्ट्रोलॉजी में भी कोई एक पद्धति चल रही हो या कोई एक रूल चल रहा हो, तो उसमें एक लाइन लिखी हुई होती है कि देश काल पात्र के हिसाब से यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट मूल मंत्र, एंड देन यू हैव टू काइंड ऑफ बी वेरी क्रिएटिव अबाउट इट एंड देन गिव आउट सॉल्यूशंस एंड व्हाटएवर. So in the same way, you have to understand that you are not in the Satyug that was there, not in the
Treta or Dwapar, yeah.
So all these things, when we try and match up to that, becomes a problem. And all these divisions, all these things have come to actually make it convenient for people. मेरे को इनसे प्यार है, मैंने अपने ऊपर ठप्पा लगा लिया. अब प्रॉब्लम कहाँ आ गई? Somebody who Prabhupada. Why was he able to build ISKCON? Because he was in love with Krishna. He said everybody is a rascal who is not. Because he has felt it, correct? And that is what forced him, and that is what propelled him to create the entire thing, right? In the same way, somebody got Sri Aurobindo. He got propelled with Krishna and Kali and the whole tantra system. He got, so everybody. अब मैं तुमको ये बोलूँगी कोई लिवाइस का क्यों ब्रांड क्यों बना रहा है और कोई गैस क्यों बना रहा है और गुची क्यों पहन रहा है. In the same way, you can afford Gucci, you're buying it and wearing it, right? What you can afford as per your energy, you convinced with your energy, and that is what is getting attracted. So in this whole mechanism, because I found that if you really want freedom, you really have to shut this all off and say, what do you want? You want bliss, you want peace, you want to be happy. You want to be happy. So start from there, start from yourself and shun all of it. Don't get into it. Is not your job. It is nobody's job to tell that whether Shiva is big or Ram is big. Everybody has a purpose. Like you have a purpose, I have a purpose.
Of course.
You go to a different house, you stay with a certain different people, you serve them in a different way. Same, I have a different. How can I say that you are wrong and I am right?
It's all relative like that.
It's so relative. It is so relative. It is just we all are connected to one thing only. Why do we say why you are encountering a spirit, black magic, and the other person is not? Why somebody is encountering a spirit and the other person is not? Why? It is the karmic thing that the person has done. So if somebody comes with a spirit problem, we understand it's a karmic design which has happened with it, and whether it is time for the person to get free of it and have a good life is also the karmic design of the person. So in the whole thing, you understand this is a whole drama which Sri Hari, Sri Narayan made for his own entertainment, and we all are doing that.
Players.
Yeah. So and to make a world, you need two kind of energies. And the day you understand Sri Hari, why does he smile every time? Dhruva as a child was suffering. So Lakshmi ji said, the child is suffering, why are you not helping him? So what is he saying? That he has to find himself, right? And when he finds himself and settles down with his energy, he gives him a darshan and he says, come and sit in my lap, which he wanted, Dhruva. So all these things, if you come and join it together, you will understand one thing, that you are here for a certain level of peace. You are here for your own self. You are not here for anybody. No one, not even your child. You are here for your child. No, you are not here for your child. You are here for your own soul liberation. Look at what makes you happy. To a large extent, a lot of people say that's being selfish. I'm saying no, that's not being selfish. That's being, if everybody looks at that I want to be happy and I am looking at my happiness, I don't think there will be any other thing people will do to make people suffer. Because everybody is doing what they are happy doing. Nobody is telling that शिव जी को पूजा मत करो, शिव जी की एनर्जी अलग है, इनकी एनर्जी अलग है. And now when you talk about the tika and all that, all these things are made for our entertainment. We like. How do I tell a person who is not able to connect to God otherwise? How do I tell? By external things. That you decorate yourself. Look at, why do you have forms of God? To connect yourself. So all these things have been designed in such a way. But don't be in that illusion that this is different, this is different. Everything is same. It is the format which attracts you for your energy at that point of time, which will solve what you have in your system. That is what it is. So मेरे को अभी कोई कुछ बोलता है तो मैं बोलती हूँ भाई गलत सही नहीं होता. और मैंने ये चीज़ अपनी लाइफ में भी देखा है. मेरे को अगर लगता है कि हाँ, कई बार ऐसा होता है कि यार मेरे साथ गलत हो गया, फिर आई स्टॉप माई सेल्फ एंड आई से गलत तो कुछ होता ही नहीं है. सो दैट वॉज प्रॉब्ली एन एक्सपीरियंस दैट आई हैड टू लर्न अबाउट माई सेल्फ. दैट certain people can trigger me. Certain habits can trigger me. I am learning about myself. And then when I look at that trigger, I'm not reacting, I'm just looking at. I'm just observing that. So lot of things you'll learn about. कई बार मैं सोचती हूँ कि कैसे एक्सप्लेन करूँ कि ये होता कैसे. किसी ने मेरे को बोला call all your energy to your own self. So I just had a question that what will happen if I call all my energy to myself? Which means not having my energy to anybody. I'm not thinking about anybody. I did that experiment and I could manifest things like, obviously for a short period I could do. So whatever you wanted just appeared. Whatever answer you want, it just appears in the very right format. Okay. In the format that when I tell you that, okay fine, I look at a picture and how do I get that? I do not have anything else. So that kind of information you get access to when you call all your energy to yourself. And how do you do that? By only concentrating.